Hey, this is Millard Clark with Atlanta Web Pros in Conyers, Georgia. I want to talk a little bit about search engine optimization, how it relates to your website. In particular, we're going to talk today about what we call local SEO versus standard SEO. If you go to Google and you type in the word mattress, you're going to receive websites about mattresses, websites that sell mattresses, websites that review mattresses. Um, Anything anybody has to say about mattresses that are relevant are going to come up. What Google doesn't know is what's relevant to your search because you just typed in mattresses. If you're a local business selling mattresses, things are a little different. For example, let's say on your website, what the most important things are in what we call the top of the fold. That's the first thing that the prospect sees when he logs into your website. Your logo will be up in the upper left-hand corner. A clear statement of what your website is about, whether you're selling products or reviewing products or just talking about getting a good night's sleep. Google doesn't know unless you specify what it is you do. So if you're selling mattresses locally and you have a local store, you want to make that clear that that's what you do. You want to make it clear that people can order mattresses online if they want. Many people will search for things like mattresses near me or a mattress store near me, and you want to be found for that. So you want to have all those clear objectives on the top of the fold of your particular website, what it is you do, why your mattresses are better, why they're better priced, or whatever they are, clearly stated on the top of your website. You also should have a phone number where you can be reached. This phone number needs to be consistent. Okay, it needs to be on every page. It needs to be in a text format, not put into an image. Google cannot read images. Google can only read text. Google doesn't know what an image has on its, content. So you want to have a phone number, you want to have an address, a clear statement of what it is you do so that the reader within 5 to 10 seconds can tell exactly who you are, where you're located, and what it is you do. You would like to put your phone number and your address clearly at the top of your website, and it's probably a good idea to put it in a sidebar if you use sidebars on the side of your website, and it's a good idea to have it again in the footer. So when people are scrolling down, they can see your address, your clear statement. All of these things have a tremendous effect with what we call Google local search, which is slightly different, or actually considerably different than just regular search engine optimization. So I hope a few of these things helped you, and I'm here to help also. My name is Millard Clark. I'm at Atlanta Web Pros. We build websites for local businesses as well as any other businesses. You don't have to be local, but I like to let people know I am local so that they can see that I'm available to come by and talk to them. Make sure you also have a Google map so people can get directions to your website. So I hope all this helps. Thank you. Give us a call, 404-664-5310. Millard Clark at Atlanta Web Pros. Have a good day.